Good morning, welcome to Danielle's Country Kitchen, cooking with Chef Garmiche, episode 6. This morning we'll be cooking with some lovely artichokes.
Yes.
What are we doing?
And some of the other stuff.
And the other
Good
stuff.
morning to you.
Morning.
How are you?
Very good, sir, very good. Nice to see
thank you for bringing this lovely seasonal veg from this Four Seasons company, which is great. Use super produce and import super produce. So here we go. Barigoule. This is what we're going to do.
Okay.
The recipe of the south of France. There's different way of doing barigoule. I will do one with some of the pancetta, which is they do that in some of the area, which is really delightful. Which is so we're going to turn the artichoke. We're going to cut the heart in a segment, roast it up with some carrot, garlic, pancetta, a bit of parsley, and a bit of stock.
Fab.
And this lovely dish for accompaniment of our fish or meat actually.
Okay.
So delightful. I just love it. And people don't use enough artichoke. So I think when it's a season dish, it's a delight. Although in France we do it in different way. I remember we were a kid eating artichoke and suck the leaves and everything and do a vinaigrette, and that's it, which you can do still. But we do something different. Okay? So
Barigoule, right.
Yes, barigoule of artichoke.
Let's get going.
Okay? Okay, we're going to do an artichoke barigoule. So to do an artichoke barigoule, Provençal way, you got pancetta, fresh garlic, carrot, parsley, salt, black pepper, and of course an artichoke. So we need to make sure then we're going to turn the artichoke. So first of all we need to take some of the outer leaf, okay, like that. So here we go, to be able to, what we say, turn the artichoke. Okay, I haven't done that for a while guys, so bear with me, yeah? Because people think chefs are doing things all the time. Not all the time. There's things you haven't done for a few years, Garmiche. Example, I haven't done a puff pastry for 35 years. Yeah? Do you know what that means? I used to turn artichoke by the bloody loads of it. Yeah? So you take all the outer leaf, like that. Okay? And after that, you're going to start to, what we say, turn the artichoke. You need a good knife.
So you're peeling it, basically.
Is that the way we can use? Yes. Normally you use glove because your hands are going to become so also you need to break it like that. So you just remove this. Okay, and now you go on the top. So you need to to have a very good knife, but to be careful not to take so much of the artichoke bottom, which is your main artichoke itself. Obviously, in France we eat the leaves as well, so we cook it with some lemon and we boil it very slowly. Okay, and now we're going to make sure that we turn it. A lot of people haven't done that for a while, but I think I can still manage. Yeah, so you can see what is appearing now. It's all the flesh of the artichoke, really what you eat. The lovely bottom artichoke. So when you buy a tin of artichoke, what you find like that is, okay, you can turn it there. So it's very, 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 very tricky. Okay. Voilà. So, and as we know, with artichoke, I need a little bit of lemon, so it doesn't become too black. Okay. And you just put that around it to keep the color. Okay. And you carry on a little bit. So we're nearly there. Okay, I'm going to cut that there. Look at this. And I'm almost there, see? So you turn it the other way now. See? Getting there. Not bad. for the old chappie, you know. People say, man, no, you're not old, chef. Come on, don't say that. Yeah, okay. So that's why we call turn an artichoke. So you need to be careful, then you really make sure there is enough of the flesh.
Not take too much off.
No, because otherwise you take the flesh away. Okay. The trick is to really turn it properly, very consistently, very roundy like that, you know. Okay, so this is a turned artichoke. Same, just make sure you do that. And now I need to remove this. So obviously the best to do that is when it's cooked. But me, because I'm doing a different recipe, okay, oops, a different recipe, I need to do it from raw. You see the way it's oxidized, the speed it goes? Okay, and now you just have to readjust there. Okay, voila, that's what's remain of my artichoke. Voila, this is a turned artichoke. It's not too bad, that's a long time I haven't done one, so I'm quite happy with that. So here we're going to put that on. And we're going to do the Barigoule. So, now we've got this, perfect. So, now I need some carrot, diced. Or diced or just like this. Okay. A bit more to do this recipe. Okay, voila. Now garlic. You don't need to have it too thin. Okay, going to be mixed with it, and parsley at the end. And now we're just cutting that in segment like this. See, okay. There's plenty of flesh, so that's why I said if you be careful and you don't take some of the flesh out, you got this really, really nice portion of it. Yeah. And first, we're going to roast that one. Okay. You do it first quickly, and it will not oxidize. Huh? Okay.
So how long?
Hola, a little bit. Huh? You need to cook it a little bit. Huh? Put some of the pancetta with it, and we're going to roast that together. Olé. So what also does the pancetta? If the pancetta is really salty, you need to blanch it. So not only to take the salt out, but to take a bit of the excess of fat. So you blanch it once, just rinse it quickly, and you pat dry and you re-roast it. But me, I want that pancetta fat to be able to roast the artichoke. So hence the reason we put only a tiny bit of butter and a touch of olive oil. But and when you do the artichoke like we've done, you must put lemon on it so it doesn't oxidize, yeah? But you don't add lemon to it after that because it's too acidic, if you know what I mean, okay? Okay, so we're going to roast that. See? Now, we're getting there now. So, I'm going to add some of that to roast with it now. And fresh parsley. And then later on the stock.
So you would serve this with?
Oh, fish. With fish it goes very well. Oh yeah, yeah. With a lovely roasted bass or bream. You know, it's fantastic. Huh? With lamb it's perfect because the artichoke and lamb goes really well together. Spring lamb, roasted. Okay. And now we're going to put the stock in it.
Any particular stock? This is chicken stock?
That's a chicken stock infused with mushroom. Oh. Yeah. And I also actually put tiny bit of ginger in it, just to give the flavor. So I do my own stock mushroom. I always put in that pan, reduce, and keep them in the freezer because it's nice to have. So I've got quite a few packets there. I always take time to do it. And I like to do my own stock. Even when I do a guest chef, sometimes I take my own stock. I don't. So you see the color. It's great. So we're going to reduce that by half, and they should be. See, it's almost cooked already. So when that is reduced, it will be cooked. Okay, so you can see that it's almost cooked. Look. Okay, then I go through. So we're going to reduce by half. Okay, like it's becoming syrupous.
So we've taken out the parsley.
And I'm going, yeah, the old one. I'm going to put some fresh one in it. Okay, dish ready. Let's serve it, and you can try it. Look at that. Let me get the whole lot together. Can you smell that? Mm. Okay. Let's put that like that. Okay. And now, on the top, a little bit parsley. And you're going to try, my friend. And here you have it, artichoke barigoule, with some beautiful artichoke from Four Seasons, which are actually amazing. You can see the color and everything. A little bit of pancetta and some carrot, garlic, chicken jus, which is infused with some mushroom and fresh parsley.